perhaps could lead him to be speaker. And of course, fill us in on Parvesh Verma, the two-time BJP MP. He was sent in to fight against Arvind Kejriwal, the former Delhi CM, and it seems he's going to be rewarded now. If this news is correct, if he does indeed become Deputy CM. Let's just talk about these three names for a second, Mehndi.
Yes, so they're talking about Rekha Gupta, who can be chosen as the Chief Minister. Then yes, she has been chosen as the MLA from the Shalimar Bagh constituency, and she is a women face. That was the priority of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and also, the RSS, because according to the sources, the RSS was pressurizing the BJP for choosing a women face, and it is expected if Rekha Gupta is chosen that BJP and RSS has come together to this common point and choose Rekha Gupta as the Chief Minister. And not only this, Rekha Gupta holds a very big support from the Shalimar Bagh and a very strong hold in her particular constituency, and she has been the Parshad from that constituency as well, and she is we can say a very a very important leader of the BJP rather. So talking about the second name, Uday, the Parvesh Verma, who can be chosen as the Deputy CM. He is the most influential face, we can say, who participated in these elections. He is a former MP, and also he won from the New Delhi Assembly constituency, which was one of the most VVIP seats, and there he defeated Arvind Kejriwal and win from that particular seat. And he comes from a very a big legacy of Sahib Singh Verma, who was the former Chief Minister, and also he holds a very strong hold in the Jat community. So yes, Parvesh Verma is also a very strong contender. His name was earlier discussed for this for the post of Chief Minister, but right now, according to the sources that we are getting to know, that he can be made as the Deputy Chief Minister. And the third name is the Vijayendra Gupta, who can be chosen as the Vidhan Sabha Speaker. Uday, then Vijayendra Gupta is a very senior leader of the BJP, who was the strong hold of the BJP, we can say, when BJP was not into power from the last 27 years, and also when there was a wave of Arvind Kejriwal, when there was a strong hold of Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital, then Vijayendra Gupta managed to win from Rohini seat back to back. So yes, he is one of the most important factors in the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he has been